Hi, welcome to Attract Monarch Butterflies to Your Garden, where you will learn to apply scientific concepts in order to draw monarch butterflies, what scientists call Danus plexippus, to your outdoor space. My name is Jessica Morgan McAtee, and I'm a butterfly conservationist. Over 15 years ago, somebody told me what I'm about to teach you, and it changed the trajectory of my life. I did what my friend said, even though I had no experience in butterflies or plants, and within a week, I had monarch butterflies in my garden. I ended up getting a job at a butterfly house where thousands of butterflies fly around, and for 7 years, I taught people about butterflies. I even went back to the university and studied entomology and horticulture, the science words for bugs and plants. I'm an author, and I teach people just like you, even if you've got no butterfly knowledge whatsoever, how to attract butterflies. I intend to help you attract monarchs to your outdoor space. What if I told you there is one simple thing you can do, and then monarchs will come to you? Because it's true. I designed this course to teach someone with little or no experience about butterflies how to create a landscape that draws monarchs in. This class covers the basics of the incredible monarch migration, their fascinating life cycle and survival requirements, as well as some of their relatives that might live in your neighborhood. And finally, we'll touch on some best practices to keep your garden sustainable for years to come. I will tell you, though, somebody who should not take this course. Lepidopterophobes. Those are people with a genuine fear of butterflies, and folks, this is a real thing, and I've seen it myself. As long as you're not a lepidopterophobe, I think you should take this course. It might just change your life the way it changed mine. The ideal student should know how to plant the plant, but that's pretty much all the experience you need. I designed this course for recreational gardeners who want to see more monarchs in their outdoor space, but don't exactly know the science enough to get them there. I hope you sign up for this course. It might just change the trajectory of your life too. Have a fluttery day.